I'm going to do a little video here of the new terminal at the Cebu airport here in the Philippines. My driver dropped me off for my international flight right over there, and then I walked across into this building where security and check-in is, and then I came through security and into the terminal here, and I'll show you around a little bit. I made another little video coming from the other direction. Figured I'd make another one in this direction. Anyway, gates 14 and 15 are down that way. / 16 through 22 are that way. Here's a little restaurant. Several different Asian cuisines. It looks like, including, but not limited to, some pork, probably, I think. Chicken. And chicken and duck. And I noticed a guy carving up some pig over here. Lechon, I believe is what they call it. Yep. Pretty tasty stuff. Couple other little restaurants here. And this is where I actually came in, through this little shopping area. There's just alcohol for sale, like liquor and stuff. They even give free samples. Some little shops here for perfume. A little memento gift shop with various trinkets, keychains, coffee mugs, neck pillows, flip-flops. Other Cebu stuff. Oh, cute little flowers for girls' hair. Some restaurants, bars, more shopping. Hi, good morning. They want to be in the video. That's so cute. And then some more, I don't know, perfume, jewelry, glasses, watches, snacks, power cords, power adapters, travel bags, books, snacks, chocolate, water. Here's some of the pricing on some water. This Evian is 175 pesos. This other Evian and the other waters are 100. I guess there's no cheap water. Milk is 80 pesos. Juice is 80 pesos. Cokes are 80 pesos. Beer, 150 pesos. Outside of the airport, these beers would probably be about 40 pesos. And it doesn't say how much that Red Bull is. Uh-oh. Looks like the flight attendants like to eat at Burger King. Coffee bean. I'll show you the other side of this tarmac here. A couple of military planes out here I saw. Helicopter hovering a minute ago, now he's on the ground. C-130 looks like over there. Little coffee shop. And this is terminals 16 and 17. So you pretty much saw the whole thing. The whole airport. And I'm not sure what they're going to finish out right here, but I'm sure it'll be pretty nice. This airport terminal is really nice, actually. I hear that helicopter hovering again. We'll go take a look at it before I turn the video off. Oh, money exchange. Yeah, he is hovering again. Thought I heard him. See if I can get it to focus this time. Got a plane backing out over there. These buses, there's some planes that you catch and you ride this little bus right here. You ride the bus over there to the plane and get on the plane at the tarmac. Anyway, that's pretty much it between these two videos. We got the whole entire new terminal. So, anyway, life is good.